Welcome to this quick tutorial. Today you'll learn how to convert any PDF file into an editable Word document using only Microsoft Word. No need for extra software or online tools. It's fast, simple, and completely offline. Let's get started and turn your PDF into a Word file easily. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Make sure you're using Word 2013 or a newer version. Click on File. Now, simply drag your PDF file from your desktop or folder and drop it into the blank Word document. Word will automatically detect the PDF and show a message saying it will convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK to continue. After a few seconds, the PDF will open as a Word document. You can now edit text, move images, or format it just like any regular Word file. When you're done, click File, then Save As, and choose Word Document to save it as a docx file. And that's it. Quick and easy PDF to Word conversion using just Microsoft Word. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.